Welcome to our today's Kikuyu language lesson. With you is Wanjiko Wamaida. Our lesson today is Kikuyu vowels. Kikuyu vowels in Kikuyu we call them, always say Demwa Shiagikuyu. Demwa Shiagikuyu. Demwa Shiagikuyu. In English we have 5 vowels. In Kikuyu we have 7 vowels. So that means we only add 2 to the vowels that we learn in English. The Kikuyu vowels are 1, A, E, I, E, O, U, O. A, E, I, E, O, U, O. Those are the 7 vowels of Kikuyu. Now, if I were to expound, so as we can know how to get the real pronunciation, how to pronounce them in Kikuyu. A is like the vowels in the vowel in the word heart, or A in the word car. The A here, heart, car, that A in car, that U in heart. That's how we pronounce the vowel A in Kikuyu. Then we have the second vowel E, like the E in hen, A. There is that A in the word hen. So then we have E, like the E in he. So E, he. The fourth vowel is in Kikuyu is A, as the A in it, and also A in the word eight. So these ones, they are giving us a closer they are bringing us closer to the real pronunciation of the vowels in the language. Then we have O, like the O in the alpha, or O in the word only, or O in on. The way you pronounce this O in on, the way you pronounce the O in only, and the way you pronounce the O, the ow in the word alpha, is the same way you pronounce O, the vowel O in the Kikuyu language. As we move on, we have vowel U. U, like the U in who, or the double sound O in good. That's how you pronounce the vowel O. Then the last vowel is O, like the O in oh dear. For example, in the exclamation O. Then the O in the word mon. So how you pronounce that is the way you pronounce O. These two vowels here, A and U, A and O, they are the ones that distinguish Kikuyu from any other language. They are the unique vowels that are found only in Kikuyu language. The two unique vowels that are found in the Kikuyu language. A is like the A in the common word atirere. Then O is like the one that is common in the word O. If you want to ask who, you say O. who, o. So we remain with the 7, and that's how we get the 7 vowels in Kikuyu, and we say them again: a, e, a, o, u, o. A, e, a, o, u, o. My listener, we have come to the end of that lesson. I hope you have understood or you have gotten the 7 vowels of Kikuyu. Till we meet in our next lesson, for now is bye bye.